Welcome back! I'm so glad you're here, because today's video is going to be a real game changer for your wallet and your kitchen. If your grocery bill is out of control, you're in the right place. We all know how quickly those costs can add up, especially with prices rising everywhere. Today I'm sharing 40 Amish hacks to slash your grocery bill in half. These are practical, time-tested tips that anyone can use no matter where you live. The Amish are masters of frugality and self-sufficiency. And I've tested these tips myself. They work. You don't need to live off the grid to benefit from their wisdom. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive in together. You'll be amazed at how much you can save with just a few simple changes. Hack 1. Grow your own vegetables. It's easier than you think, and you don't need a huge yard or fancy equipment to get started. Even a sunny balcony or a small patch of ground is enough to grow fresh food. Seeds are affordable, and you can find them at any garden center or even online. Homegrown produce isn't just tastier and more nutritious, it's also free from chemicals and pesticides, so you know exactly what you're eating. Plus, you'll save a surprising amount of money on your grocery bills, especially as prices keep rising. Start by planting the vegetables you and your family love to eat most. Think tomatoes, peppers, or leafy greens. As your garden grows, you'll enjoy delicious meals and watch your savings add up, all while connecting with nature. Next, bake your own bread. Store-bought loaves are pricey and full of additives. Homemade bread is simple, costs pennies, and tastes incredible. This one switch can save you hundreds a year. Canning is how the Amish eat well year-round. Preserve your garden's bounty or bulk produce at peak freshness. No more food waste. It's easier than you think and pays off all winter. Buy staples like rice, flour, and beans in bulk. The price per unit drops dramatically, and you'll shop less often. Set up some storage and watch your grocery costs plummet. Cook from scratch. Ditch pre-made meals and packaged foods. You'll save big, eat healthier, and know exactly what's in your food. Take control of your kitchen and your budget. Raise backyard chickens for a steady supply of fresh eggs. Chickens eat scraps, provide fertilizer, and cut your egg bill to almost zero. It's a step toward true self-sufficiency. Make your own cleaning products with vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice. They're cheap, effective, and non-toxic. You'll save money and reduce plastic waste. Use a root cellar, or a cool, dark basement corner to store produce. This old-school hack keeps food fresh for months, slashing waste. No digging required, just find a cool spot. Barter with neighbors. Trade your surplus for what you need. It builds community and saves everyone money. Start a conversation and see what you can swap. Meal planning is your secret weapon. Plan your week, make a list, and stick to it. No more impulse buys or takeout. Use what you already have first. This habit alone can save you a fortune. Leftovers are opportunities, not waste. Reinvent them into new meals, soups, casseroles, stir-fries. A use-it-up night each week keeps money in your pocket. Shop at farmers markets for fresher, often cheaper food. Buy direct from growers, get better deals, and support your community. Shop late for extra discounts. Skip the processed food aisles, stick to whole, single-ingredient foods. You'll get more nutrition and more food for your money. Your wallet and your health will thank you. Make your own butter, yogurt, and cheese. It's easier than you think. You control the ingredients and save a bundle. Homemade dairy is fresher and tastier. Forage for wild edibles. Free food is everywhere if you know what's safe. Learn a few local plants and supplement your meals for nothing. Always be 100% sure before eating anything wild. Compost your kitchen scraps to create free, nutrient-rich fertilizer. It reduces waste and boosts your garden's productivity. Even small spaces can handle a compost bin. Switch to cloth napkins and towels. Ditch disposables. They last for years, save money, and cut down on trash. Just toss them in with your regular laundry. Grow herbs indoors for fresh flavor year-round. Snip what you need when you need it, no more wilted, wasted herbs. It's a tiny investment with big returns. Reuse glass jars and plastic tubs for storage. Don't toss containers, use them for leftovers, dry goods, or organizing. It's free storage and less waste. Make your own snacks, granola, popcorn, chips at home. It's healthier, cheaper, and you control the ingredients. Skip the overpriced snack aisle. Freeze fruits and veggies when they're in season and cheap. Stock your freezer for smoothies, soups, and more all year. Buy low, eat well, and save big. Track prices in a simple notebook to spot real deals, know when to stock up and never overpay again. A price book makes you a smarter shopper. Join a food co-op to buy in bulk with others and access wholesale prices. It's a great way to save on staples and connect with your community. Share the work, share the savings. Homemade pasta is cheap, easy, and tastes amazing. Just flour and eggs, no fancy equipment needed. Once you try it, you'll never go back. Collect rainwater for your garden. Why pay for what falls for free? A rain barrel is a small investment that pays off fast. Your plants will love it, and so will your wallet. Plant a fruit tree for decades of free food. Even small yards can handle dwarf varieties or potted trees. It's a gift to your future self and your grocery budget. Turn extra fruit into homemade jams and jellies. It's cheaper, tastier, and makes great gifts. Preserve the taste of summer all year. Use natural pest control, companion planting, homemade sprays, and beneficial insects. Skip the chemicals and protect your garden for less. Healthy plants, healthy savings. Buy generic or store brands. They're often identical to name brands but much cheaper. Do a taste test. You'll rarely notice a difference. This simple switch can cut your bill by 20–30%. Split bulk buys with friends or neighbors. You get the low price without the storage hassle. Team up and everyone wins. Mix your own spice blends from bulk spices. It's cheaper, customizable, and free of additives. Store them in reused jars for extra savings. Bring reusable shopping bags, save money and reduce waste. They're sturdier, hold more, and last for years. A small change with a big impact. Bake in batches to save time and energy. Fill your oven, stock your freezer, and cut utility costs. Cook once, eat multiple times. Dry your homegrown herbs for free, potent flavor all year. Hang them, use a low oven or a dehydrator. Store in airtight containers and skip the pricey spice aisle. Turn fruit scraps into homemade vinegar. It's easy, reduces waste, and gives you a valuable kitchen staple. Use it for cooking, cleaning, or health. A slow cooker turns cheap ingredients into delicious meals with minimal effort. It's energy efficient and perfect for batch cooking. Save time, money, and stress. Grow sprouts in a jar for fresh greens year-round. It's fast, cheap, and requires almost no space. Add them to salads, sandwiches, and more. Make yogurt at home with just milk and a starter. It's simple, saves money, and tastes better than store-bought. Customize it with your favorite flavors. Use coupons and discounts strategically, only for items you need. Stack coupons with sales for maximum savings. Let discounts enhance your plan, not dictate it. Practice mindful shopping. Always use a list and stick to it. Don't shop hungry and watch out for store tricks. Ask yourself if you really need each item. This discipline protects your budget every time. Congratulations! You've just discovered 40 incredible Amish hacks that can completely transform the way you shop for groceries and help you slash your monthly food expenses. Imagine all the extra money you'll have for things you truly enjoy, just by making a few simple changes. Start by picking one or two of these hacks to try out this week. Notice how quickly your grocery bill drops, and how much easier it is to stick to your budget. Small steps can lead to big savings over time. We'd love to hear from you. Share your favorite tip, or any new ideas you have in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for even more practical, money-saving inspiration every week. Thanks so much for watching and being part of our community. We can't wait to see you next time with more ways to help you save and